Tadyatham begaji begaji mapegaji raja samundagati soha. Meaning of the mantra: may the many sentient beings who are sick be freed from illness quickly, and might also all the illnesses of beings never stands up once more. Tadyatha, way carried beyond samsara and nirvana. Om is the source of energy of the universe. It encompasses the whole lot that was, is, and may be. Begaji Begaji, many are the eliminations of A. The first Begaji eliminates troubles from the mind and body. The second Begaji eliminates a deeper ache linked to religious strugglings. Mahabegaji, where the best eliminator of all pain and suffering. This is the medicine Buddha. Rajasamundgate, referred to the king or the maximum divine, whose know-how is as extensive as the sea. Soha is pure devotion, purpose, or internal being, and from this all manifestation arise. Is likewise referred to as the meditation Buddha mantra. Reciting the chant detaches the mind from overwhelming bad thoughts, the traumas of the past, and the concerns of uncertainty. Listening to this Buddhist mantra, you discover a way to breathe in all of the pleasure and gratitude towards our lives and breathe out all the bitterness and strugglings of the past. The mantra make it smooth for us to visualize and cognizance on our healthier, happier self above the whole lot. This mantra reminds us that meditation is medicinal for the soul. The short history of the meditation mantra. Tayatha Om has its root within the Mahayana Buddhist subculture. The oldest meditation Buddha Sutra documented change into observed in the 7th century CE. In the sutra, Medicine Buddha made 12 vows to assist living beings achieve enlightenment. His main consciousness became on the holistic recuperations of the body and the thought. He vowed to get rid of ache and ailments of all kinds and self-flourishing fitness. The medicine Buddha mantra is chanted for the advantage of humans and animals alike. Although they healthy for the times being, it is recited for achieving success and alleviating all problems and suffering from its restoration force. Benefit of listening to mantra. The Tayatha Om mantra invoke the medicine Buddha who eliminates all pain, suffering, and sorrows. Listening to this mantra alongside meditation help you within the following methods. Benefit 1. Cleanse negativity. Chanting of this mantra allows us smooth out the clutter of bad mind. Benefit 2. Heals beyond trauma. The mantra allows us to detach from disturbing or stressful incidents of the beyond. Benefit 3. Helps recovery for the ones coping with the infections and disorder. This mantra calmingly realigns our strengths from suffering to recovery. The recovered outcomes of Tayatha Om additionally extend to soothing pain from melancholy.